Today you will recognize and use plurals that add S to words that end in O. And you're going to do it here in this sort. So some words that end in O have just one plural form, but some words have more than one plural form, or two, and both are considered correct. So let's take a look at our directions here. Make and write plural forms of words. Make the plural form with S and ES in the three-way sort to the right. So for some words, you won't have anything in this column, okay? Take a look. Zero, zeros, and zeros with ES. So that's how we'll be sorting those words today. So take a look at the word tornadoes. Tornado in the plural form can look like this, but it can also look like this with ES on the end, and both are correct. But let's take a look at tacos. The word taco, like this, that's the only correct plural form, because if we try to spell tacos over here, it is incorrect. Tacos does not have ES on the end as one of its plural forms. So as you're working on this PWS today, it might be really helpful to have in another tab open an online dictionary so that you can check the spelling as you go. Maybe your teacher has a dictionary that you can use that's actually a book to look at. Either way will work. So be sure that you're reading the words and then you're spelling using the S ending or both S and the ES ending to make the plural forms of those words.